So Jan Neist, it's so
Hello,
great.
David.
It's so great to be with you here in Munich again at the Precious Metals Conference, and I'm sure you can say some words in German for me that I can't, but I've seen it grow over the years. How long has this conference been going on?
We started in 2005. It was a venture for us because the format was new, but the market on the rise, and we were convinced that this concept will pay out and attract many people in an increasing commodities market, and that was obviously right. And from around 1,300 visitors in the first year, 2005, it rose to a good question how many this year, but it's between 5,000 and 6,000, and that's quite a good development for us.
And you have some of the most notable speakers from all over the world, really. So
yes.
Here in Germany, US, the United Kingdom, all over. You want to name a few of the more well-known speakers here?
It's important for us to have the well-known German experts as well as famous speakers from all over the world, in particular from Canada. That's the country of the resources. And so all the experts, or many, come from there and some from Australia. Last year we had, for instance, Ross Beatty, the founder of Pan American. This year Rob McEwen. We were really proud to get him here, and it was a great event. And you, David, of course. It's a pleasure to have the Silver Man here. So it's important for us to show the people experts from other countries, and with simultaneously translation, it works really nicely for them.
What would you say to someone that's just now getting interested in the precious metals? Would you ask them to attend a conference like this? What would you say to them?
To the speakers?
No, I'm sorry, to the general public, to an investor or someone that's new to investing or precious metals investing.
Right. Many ordinary people now feel that something is wrong with the financial system. Politicians promise too much and do not keep their words, and they know they will sooner or later destroy the paper currencies, and so they have a feeling that something is not good, and they are not told the truth, and so they move into the precious metals. This market is moving out of its own. It started moving, and you don't need to do much. It's rolling. It's like a snowball running down a hill, and it's becoming bigger every year. So if you talk to people and give him a little idea to think about the financial system, and if they start thinking about that, then many of them really get it and start, if they haven't done yet, start to buy precious metals.
Well, is there anything I haven't asked you that you'd like to talk to our viewers about this conference, or precious metals investing, or Germany, or anything?
Germany, if some people check the statistics of the World Gold Council, you see where the gold is distributed, or which nations buy a lot. There you see that the USA is buying a lot, of course, from the background of quantitative easing. And Germany and Switzerland are in Europe the biggest buyers of physical metal. Closely after the USA, but the population of the USA is 5 times bigger, and the tonnage was nearly the same. And then the Chinese and the Indians, obviously. And with our history of 2 total money destructions, it's quite easy to communicate here to have precious metals. It's wise to buy precious metals. Yeah. That will continue for sure.
Okay.
And so I hope to arrange our conference for a few more years, and I'm sure we will.
I'm sure you will.
And people who are interested in silver and good silver stocks, of course, have a very good chance to get good picks from your newsletter. And if their English is not sufficient enough, they can subscribe to the German version that I do, or I publish the German version of that, and yeah, it works nicely.
So how would they get in contact with you if they wanted the German version?
It's very easy. They go to the internet to www.morgan-report.de.
Morgan-report.de.
Correct.
Very good. Well, I thank you always for inviting me. It was a true pleasure.
Thanks, David, for coming here again.